Good afternoon, everyone, all light workers. We are here outdoors getting ready for a little bit of learning. Anyway, I wanted to tell you I'm here. I'm Catherine Robledo Walker from Golden Pearl Healing and Higher Education. And I was going to talk about some of the Reiki symbols that we use that you can actually use to help Mother Earth and be a water and land spirit and steward for Mother. So here we are, here I am. I am taking now and I'm going to show you a technique how you can clear water. You can clear the water. And even if you wanted to do this, you would do the same thing with a glass of water. You can use it with just changing any molecular structure that you want to make it drinkable, a higher vibration, higher frequency. So I'm going to show you how to do it now with our Reiki symbols that we work with and that I'm always talking about. So now you will know, and you Reiki light workers or any light worker with a beautiful heart intention can do this yourself. So the first symbol that we're going to do is the Choku Ray. Choku Ray, Choku Ray over the water to cleanse, turn on the power, get that light switch going, get that light running, and get it going. So we do Choku Ray, Choku Ray, Choku Ray 3 times. The power of spirit. Then we're going to do Hansa Seisho Nen, Hansa Seisho Nen, Hansa Seisho Nen. The power of spirit, cleansing past, present, future, any bacteria, viruses, or anything that you want to be gone. And then you're going to do a Choku Ray, Choku Ray, Choku Ray again 3 times to increase the power one more time, even more. And then you're going to do Daikomyo reverse, Daikomyo reverse, Daikomyo reverse. This is the magic, light workers. This is what you do to cleanse all the waters of Earth now. Those that are polluted, stagnant, full of viruses and bacteria and things that no longer need to be there. We are the water stewards, the land stewards now. Our purpose was to come here and do this with these symbols, with the power here, and to get it done. Get it done. Get it cleared, get it cleansed, purify, and get this planet back the way it's supposed to be, of love, of light, of harmony, peace, and balance. Thank you. I love you, light workers. Have a good day. Bye.